Why is the sea salty? The sea is salty. Where does the salt come from? Salt comes from the rocks on land. River and rain wash the salt into the sea. Salt comes from the rocks at the bottom of the sea. People can get salt from the sea and from the rocks under the ground. The hot sun is used to dry up pools of sea water. The salt is left behind. Salt is dug from the rocks under the ground. Words to learn. Predict. 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 Words to learn. Dissolve. 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 Salt. 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 Rock. 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 Land. 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 River. 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 River.